Hello guys, in this video I want to share with you guys basically CPA marketing and affiliate marketing for beginners. If you're new here, welcome. And this is how you guys can make like $5,000 per day. As you can see right here, this is basically $2,000 per day. I'm only 13 days into the month here, and anyone could do this, guys. Anyone could do this. Okay, it's halfway through the day so far. This right here, this is Maxbounty. This is $3,000 to $4,000 per day. So basically, I'm around just with these two income streams. That's $5,000 per day, and that's insane, you know. Um, and for anyone out there, it's insane. Okay, and the money I'm dealing with, I don't know what to do with it. Okay, I have plans, but mostly all my money goes to savings. Okay, that I make and I'm just saving up for big, big things. Okay. And you could do the same thing. You could do real estate, all this stuff. You could invest in crypto. I have crypto investments as well. Uh, and I could show you. Let me see if I could show you it. Here's some crypto investments. This is Coinbase portfolio. That's $5,000. I mean, $50,000 right there. But the thing is, guys, like CPA marketing, you can crush it with. And I'm only using the best platforms you could possibly use. So Maxbounty is one of them right here. This is Maxbounty. They got a ton of offers. It's how you promote the offers that's powerful. And I will go over that inside this video, guys. And also, Crackrevenue is one of the top platforms out there. This is for adult offers specifically, but you can crush it with any platform out there. You can crush it with ClickBank. Everything I'm going to teach in this video applies 100%. Like for anybody. You don't have to be some marketing genius or anything. Like there are fundamentals and then there's secrets. And I can tell you right now, I do use secrets to this world in my marketing and in-depth psychology stuff. But at the end of the day, anyone could do this. I'm going to share with you for a beginner how you could do this. Like you can absolutely demolish. Okay, you can increase your income overnight, basically, is what I'm trying to say. So I'll go over some different methods, but if you want to look into a spy tool real quick, I actually have access to my adult spy tool if you're interested. I give my login info if you guys want it. This right here is just the native ads spy tool. Okay, these are the most longest running ones. These are the best performing ones, and you could do CPA marketing on native ads. I just want to show you like these are top performing campaigns right now that are just crushing it right now. It's crazy. They literally are getting tons of traffic to their affiliate offers. Most times these are affiliate offers. Other times they're just trying to boost up a channel they have or something like that, okay, or some blog they have. Now, you can literally model after what's working. These are a lot of faces, very curiosity things, inducing things, appealing things in a way, landscapes, stuff like this, okay, a cute dog, you know, it works, okay, celebrities, and you know, when you do stuff like that in your ads, that can work. But I'm talking like you could do CPA marketing for free. This is all free traffic, all of it, okay? A little bit of boosts here and there, less than $1,000 a month I put into boosting stuff. This right here, this is paid ads, okay? This is 2 to 3x to 5x sometimes on my ads, okay, per day. And I'm not spending a lot of money right now, okay, in my ads. I'm not scaling like an insane person. I'm doing consistent income every single day. Anyone can do this, guys. Okay, so I'm going to share with you guys how you could do this in this video. Let's dive right in.